traffic for a quick pickup here, and then looks like there's Starbucks or something like that. Right, some shade. That'll work. Okay, nobody up here at the front desk, right? Right. Yeah, this is a Burger King pickup, so it wasn't Starbucks or Jamba Juice. Didn't wait. Hot. Okay, thanks a lot. All right. Nice and hot. Between them and McDonald's, I definitely would say that. It may be worthwhile. This is again, we got 0.9 miles. This drop off here. Go across this parking lot. Make this left. Okay. Take this up to the top of the hill. Always. All right. 0.7 miles. Alright, back off again. And this one here is 2 far away here to get to there.
Just ahead, turn right on Manuaihue Street. Off on the left.
We'll be there. That's where you got it. Going. All right. Okay. All righty. I'm out. Just turn around. Alright, let's pick up.
The one with the paper.
Okay, alright. Paper, I think. Let's take out this pizza bag, throw both of these in here and put the pizza. Man, I still got soda. Thanks for the instructions. Okay. Have a good one now. Alright. Left here and I'll go right.
Turn right on Farrington Highway.
Thanks a lot, appreciate it. Quick drop off. Chilling. One person progress. Huh. Hey, is that it right there?
Yeah.
Okay, appreciate it. All right, good seeing you again. Hey, how you doing? Stick and move, stick and move. Yes, indeedy. Okay, Electrified.
Turn right on Leho.
You have a good day now. All right. Oh, the man's still there.
Pick up on the left.
Yep. All right. You too.
Turn left. Turn right on Lehoka Street.
All right. 5:39 p.m. All right. So you can get off the street.
NGM says,
That back
need a
brake.
door. Massage me when you hear.
Man, appreciate it.
Can I take a picture on it?
Yes, it's straight electric. Yeah, I got some other things. And your sauce right here. And there you go. All right. All right, back over to Taco Bell. Okay, thanks a lot. Appreciate it. Okay. Billy.
Drop off on the left.
What's all this right here? It's all torn up. So this it right here?
Yes.
Okay, thanks a lot. You.
Yes. Meet at door at B109. Amazing Surfside Condo.
Alright. Hello, how you doing?
So fast.
Oh, thanks a lot. Wow, yeah, sun's setting. Everything looks really nice out there. Really nice. I got like 2 pools. Yeah. All the gate coast, that's really nice. Oh, walkway. Do not go beyond this. Back off on the races. Let's drop off over there. Icy bubbles pick up. They got a few people in line. Hello. Gonna be sure that this doesn't.
Turn
Got a
left.
little Caesar pickup.
Pick up.
All right, appreciate it again.
Good night, bro.
Yep. Jesus got some weight to it. Good Lord. One more hit. I'm gonna do this here.
Turn left on Glenmonger Street, then drop off on the right.
Definitely. My plan to from giving to the customer Icy Bubble and Little Caesar. Do that. So we can know that beforehand. Cake. Alright, hitting the jack and up and out.
Just ahead, turn right on Y&I Valley Road.
I got one car in front, maybe 2 cars in front of this person. Could be 3. That makes sense. Oh, that much. That's a whole lot. Oh shit. My car has Surfside.
Meet at door C226. Spacious Surfside app next to Y&I.
Thank you. Alrighty. Okay, back over here by Taco Bell's now. Okay, what we got for Taco Bell? One. Okay, thank you. All right, until the next. Okay, didn't realize there was 2 orders to pick up, so hopefully we're going to Saito for the pickup. Okay.
Thank you.
All right, thank you. Looking at.
Turn right.
All right. I guess this one here. 2 or 3. Big order. Yeah, this is on the hill here. That's pretty interesting. Pickup. Hello, for Erica. Pretty good. Seasoned in teriyaki sauce. I made it.